John Dummy made the beat.
You know, we in the streets, nigga, we posted up. And we got them things on us too. 4 hours, gang. We get it out the mud, man, I just wanna be rich. I'm just focused on the money to get out of this bitch. I got bigger dreams and my niggas gon' ride me dick. We here to live together, man, we gon' divide that shit. Don't try to stun on us, cause we'll end up taking your shit. And you can try to get it back and get shot in your shit. We the most say that in New Road, they say we...
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another banger. You already know how it is. As you can tell, I'm not using the GoPro today. It just died on me. But I'm gonna do a quick little video today. As you can tell by the title of the video, I got my tire stickers delivered to my crib, finally. It's hot as hell. I really don't know why I'm wearing this jacket, but I got the gloves on. I already started the job. I'm finna show you how it looks. This thing looks crazy already, just with one tire. Appreciate the 10K followers. You already know, like I said, we're gonna keep going up 2020. Let me show y'all these tire stickers real quick. As you can see, tire stickers from LA. Target car review sponsor type beat. No, I'm just playing. Got them all right here. I even got the little rubber bright to clean the tire lettering if it does get yellow or something, which is already working because I got black stuff on it already. But yeah, man, this is gonna be a quick little video. I'm not gonna really be it's not really gonna be a do-it-yourself video because I already did one tire and boom. Tell me what y'all think. This thing looks pressure. Y'all let me know if y'all rock with the tire lettering or not. But it's on there, so it's too late. Check it out. That I messed up because I had this tire upside down, so I was literally putting the letters upside down, but I was like, let me just turn the wheel. But man, this should look pretty good. Only thing I noticed is tire stickers didn't give me them pre-curved to my tire. They gave them to me individual. Look, as you can see, the hell, this is way harder. So now it's like I gotta literally take all these apart, slap them on there, but I got my boy Ricardo coming to help me, so this job should be way easier and faster. I think it looks crazy. Empty to pressure. Let's keep getting right into this, especially since I had to clean the tires. I forgot my dad was driving this car. I was like, I don't even listen to country music. What the hell? Oh, I forgot to mention, I do have the AirPod Pros, so to enter the giveaway, I need y'all to like this video, like this video, comment on this video, anything, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hopefully there's like an app I can find, or software I can see where I can choose out of all my subscribers a random person to give these AirPods away, because I can't put the AirPods in the video like I did the gift card. So y'all just like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna post a winner of the AirPods giveaway soon, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. But let's get right into this video like I said. Alright, YouTube, so what y'all think? Should I leave it without the red slashes or with the red slashes? In my opinion, I think it looks way better without them because it looks like it's not doing too much. Bro, yeah, I'm gonna take the red off, bro. It looks smooth without them. But look who we got here. Cortez 5.0.
What's up, everybody?
So what's up, man? What you been up to?
Working, you know, chilling.
I got this man to come help me because I have to do all. I already did two though. Honestly, bro, all you gotta do is just pass me the letters with glue on them, so that I'll go way faster because that's what I'm taking time and shit. It's looking real good, man. I'm finna show y'all a video now of me sticking it on there since y'all just seen it on there. It goes without the red slashes, with them. Yeah, bro. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it's flowing better, not doing too much without them.
Yeah, it looks better like this.
So I gotta take those off. When I'm done though, I ain't gonna worry about them, but at least I just did those two. Those two, I mean. But let's get right into this and let's go back to the third tire. Alright, YouTube, we just got done installing the tire lettering. I hope y'all like it. I did, and I'm taking off the red slashes on all the tires. I wasn't rocking with it. I think it has a more sleek look without them. I'm finna go get something to eat because I'm hungry. I'll show y'all some footage of this thing rolling. I gotta let it sit for an hour though. I know someone did tell me in my comments not to put tire lettering, but everyone else was. But I think it turned out pretty great, especially with the red Brimbos. I'm glad I painted those. This thing is just looking more and more nasty by the day. And now it's time for engine mods, so y'all stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, them engine mods are finna be crazy. We finna hop into 5.0. It sounds good to me. Hey, I'm finna roast them. Y'all check this out. This man done got the big ass Little Tree air freshener.
Gotta keep it
Look
fresh,
how
man.
big it is. He thought it was a small one though. Don't even cap. Nah, man, he thought that was a small air freshener and bought the big ass one. Like I said, I'm gonna do that AirPod giveaway. I don't know how I'm gonna do it actually. Subscribe to my channel, like, and comment this. Anyways, just so y'all know it's not rigged, I will do it on IG Live. So go follow my IG at KingReckless23. I'm gonna say it again. Follow my IG at KingReckless23. I'm gonna go live so y'all can see the computer auto-generate or pick someone period to win the AirPod Pros, and I'm gonna DM them. Or I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna need y'all's IG
Or do
so I
something
can
like
ship it to y'all.
Fuck 12, nigga. Them bitches at the door now. What the fuck, nigga? Growing up, it was right, I don't give it up. Running from them dicks, they do down and they bust.